Imagine a drone so small it fits in your palm, yet so powerful it captures cinematic 4K footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood set. And the best part? You don't even need a pilot's license to fly it in most countries. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, arguably the most advanced mini drone ever created. But is it worth your money, or is it just hype? In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you why this tiny beast is a game changer for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. At under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is ultra-portable and regulation-friendly. In many regions, this means no FAA registration or complicated permits. But don't let the size fool you. The build quality is premium, and for the first time in the Mini series, we have omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This means the drone has eyes in every direction: front, back, left, right, and up. If you're a beginner worried about crashing into a tree or a wall, this drone is basically uncrashable in most flight modes. Now let's get to the gold, the camera. We're looking at 4K HDR video at 60 FPS, and if you love slow motion, it does 4K at 100 FPS. The image quality is stunning, even in low light, thanks to the large sensor and dual native ISO. For the social media creators out there, it features true vertical shooting. The gimbal actually rotates 90 degrees, allowing you to capture high-quality TikToks and Reels without losing any resolution. Plus, with the new Active Track 360, you can perform complex cinematic shots like orbiting or following a subject with just a swipe on the screen. It's like having a professional cameraman in your pocket. This specific Fly More Plus combo comes with the DJI RC2 controller. It has a built-in high-bright screen, so you don't have to drain your phone battery or deal with annoying notifications while flying. The range is also mind-blowing. Thanks to the O4 transmission system, you get a stable 1080p live feed from up to 20 kilometers away. And since this is the Plus combo, you get 3 intelligent flight batteries. The Plus batteries give you a massive 45 minutes of flight time each. That's over 2 hours of total airtime in one bag. You also get a 2-way charging hub and a sleek shoulder bag to carry everything. So, who is the DJI Mini 4 Pro for? If you're a traveler, a content creator, or someone who wants to start drone photography without the headache of heavy gear and legal paperwork, this is the gold standard. It's safe, it's smart, and the footage is breathtaking. It's not just a toy, it's a professional tool in a miniature body. If you're ready to take your perspectives to new heights, the link to this exact bundle is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!